Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi, and today we are opening up the February RPG crate. First of all, here's the t-shirt that comes with it. It's really nice. I like the cemetery plate that they put on there. Really nice. So let's get this box open and see what we have. First, we have the card, and this crate is called Undying Love this month, so we'll come back to that. Next, we have the Crypt Crawler's Brains. It's a recipe on here. This is from the kitchen of the Bloody Bucket. And on the back, there's a little adventure. So that's really cool. I'll show up close up with this so you guys can see the artwork. Next, we have our figure from Effin' Cool Miniatures. And from what I can see, it looks like some kind of undead creature with an undead hound or a dog or whatever. I'll show this to you guys in a close-up so you guys can see that. Let's see. Let me get it out first so I can take a look at this. Really nice. Like I said, I'll show you guys a close-up of it. Okay, next, it looks like we've got some more card monsters and stuff like that. It looks like we're only getting one this time, but it looks like it's got like 4 or 5 dragons, couple other things on here, some gremlins. I can't remember what this is from. Oh, this is from Paizo, or is it Paizo or Paizo? Whatever it is, it's from them. So that's that. Next we have our Adventures on the Open Road cards, and we got our 3 quests like always. Weathering for the Storm, The Curse of Valsgate, and Margrave Minor. So that's that. That's back. And there's that one. And there's that one. So we got our adventures there. So next we have the Undead Lords. This is another book by Frog God Games. Let's see. I don't know. I'm assuming it's just one adventure. But let's see. There's some artwork. Sewers of the Underguild. So you got a little map there. See if we can find any other artwork that might actually be worth showing. It's all in black and white. Let's see, anything else? Some more maps. Let's see. Ooh, that's an interesting map, and then you got the pentagram on there. Or a star at least. Okay, so that's that book right there. Tell you how many pages there are. It looks like 27, so it's a small little thing. And you got your pick and pluck. And that's it, guys. There really wasn't much in this one compared to last month. The book's nice, so let's go over everything we got in here. So we got the t-shirt, we got the Pathfinder Pawns. That's what the card things were. The Dragon Foam, which is just the pick and pluck foam like always, guys. The Premium Metal figure from Effin' Cool Miniatures. The Undead Lords 2-in-1, so I guess it's a 2-in-1 adventure. Oh wow, and that one's for level 11 to 15, or yeah, 1, 4, 11, 15 levels and 1 14 level. Okay, so some high level missions there. The recipe card and the Adventures on the Open Road. So that was it. For some reason this month I'm not really feeling this one too much. It's nice. The figurines, okay, I guess. I mean it's called Undying Love. I don't really know what the whole concept or the whole story of that is. But I'm going to give this one, I think I'm going to give this one like a B minus. I'm not quite really feeling it. Maybe I'll even go a C, who knows. But that's it, guys. So I hope you guys like that. So that's it, man. Till next time.